are Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Do not try to change the physical earth. The vibrational earth is changing and you are connected. Feet firmly on the ground. Point your tailbone towards the earth, breathing in and out. From the chakra in the bottom of each foot, send a root down into the earth. From the chakra in your tailbone, send a root down into the deeply healed whole Mother Earth, and begin to repeat, I am rooted deeply into the healed whole Mother Earth. I am deeply rooted into the new healed whole Mother Earth. Refer to the new healed whole Mother Earth as much as you possibly can. She exists and she is pushing her way to the surface. She is transforming the 3D world. Trust in that. You are deeply rooted to the new healed whole Mother Earth. Now in your mind, draw a triangle from the point of your tailbone to the point of the right foot and the point of the left foot, and then from the chakra in the left foot base to the chakra in the right foot base, and feel that pyramid. Breathe into the pyramid and find your balance. Breathe into the pyramid and find healing energy arising from the new healed whole Mother Earth, because you have visualized the vehicle which she can pass solid energy into your being and bring you into peace and balance. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Now breathing over those 3 tubes that you have visualized in your physical self, bring the 5th dimensional green tree up the spine. The tree is made of striated energy, of thin green lines, almost like hairs, thousands of them. They are coming up your spinal cord as you breathe and draw them in. The branches are opening around your rib cage and spreading around your kidneys, through your kidneys, curling around to the front of your body and sinking in under the rib cage, curling up the back, the shoulder blades, through them, around them, into the liver, breathing in and out. These filaments are finer than hairs, and yet they exist. Tiny filaments bringing green chi force into your body of a higher caliber than you have ever held before. That higher caliber than you have ever held before in this particular physical form. You have held these frequencies before, therefore you remember them. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing the breath in, build the tree. Drawing the breath in, let those fibers move around your neck, in and out of your throat, up the center of your body, in and out of your throat, to your third eye. Feel them coming out your ears, circling back into your nostrils, breathing, breathing, breathing. This beautiful energy web moving around your body, encapsulating it in healing light. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Bring the pointer fingers together with the thumbs. Hold the palms outward onto the earth. The 3 fingers pointing straight up. Breathing in, breathing out. Spread your pinky as far away from your middle finger and your ring finger as you can. Keep the forearms straight up from the elbows. Turn the right hand palm towards the heart now, but outside of your body. If you can keep the fingers straight up, pointing towards your third eye, that's good, as your palm points towards your heart. And the other hand points out into the world. Now, as you breathe energy healing to yourself from your balanced place. Breathe energy healing out into this cocoon of light energy activation around your body. These green threads activating. Tone 3 times. At the end of the 3rd tone, bring the palms together in prayer pose in front of the heart. palms coming together. I am that I am, and I am Saint Germain. You are that you are, and you are spirit, transforming your physical form. I am that I am, and I am spirit, transforming my physical form. Repeat that 3 times. I am that I am, and I am spirit, transforming my physical form. I am that I am, and I am spirit, transforming my physical form. I am that I am, and I am spirit, transforming my physical form.